Welcome to Blocktech Brew, a leading crypto wallet development company. In this video, we present you a live demo of our ready-to-go crypto wallet. To start, the user must perform the KYC. Whether you are a new user or an existing user, start your verification process, enter your recovery phrase, which can help you access your account. Make sure to keep your backup phrase safe, in case of losing your backup phrase, losing your account, and all the associated funds. After generating backup phrase, you must fill out your personal details like their name, gender, date of birth, address, contact details. Once the user fills out the details, they will be redirected to this page. Once the KYC is done, the user has to do email verification to start with their account. Once it's done, an option will be there to create a new wallet or import your existing wallet. You can import your existing wallet with backup phrase. Select the backup type. How you want to make backup? Create a passcode to log in the account. Enable Face ID recognition login. Once the user logs into their account, they have the overview on their dashboard, where they can view the available balance in the wallet and associated funds. Now let's learn how to receive Ethereum from someone. For that, you can share your QR code and can send your wallet address to the sender through multiple social media platforms. Once the amount is received, the wallet will get updated. Now let's send some Ethereum to any wallet address, select token type, add receiver's address, or scan the QR code, enter the amount, and send it. Once you send it, you can view it in the transactions history. Next, you can manage or update the passcode, or update security settings for blockchain network. You can request a card, sell you token, change your PIN, recover your wallet, check your subscription plan, KYC details, FAQs, privacy policy, and can read terms and conditions. Further similar to send or receive. If you want to swap the cryptocurrency, you can do this using this option. As a first-time user, you will land to the overview landing screen. You can analyze the real-time market cap. And lastly, you can view the browsing history of yours with the list of top decentralized apps. This is how this crypto wallet app solution works. If you want to build your own crypto wallet platform, get in touch with us by clicking on the link given in the description.